Hey guys, I know what you're thinking. Halloween is literally tomorrow, but I wanted to pop on here and try to do this look right here. All credits go to this fabulous makeup artist, so let's get into it. Switching over to voiceover, again using my Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette, and started off with a smoky eye already. So I'm going to first start off by working on the spider legs. I have an in-depth tutorial on this, so I might go through this rather quickly. Click in the comment box if you want to see that tutorial. But I'm making these spider legs more wispy, drawn out, and exaggerated than the other one. I use an angle brush and I use Rumor Mill. And then I traced over it with the rock bottom shade. I just think that way I have more control. I'm not that confident in my artistic skills. Adding some white dots because they add a 3D effect, tracing over it with my black liner, and adding some shadows. Now moving on to the spider web. I've seen some people use a dental pick for more precision, but I'm just doing this freeform. So bear with me. And again, using Rumor Mill and then tracing over it with my liquid liner. And now I'm working on the spider legs coming out of the mouth. So again, using Rumor Mill and then tracing over it with black and then adding some shadows. Voila, this is the finished look. It's rather simple, a little bit more intricate than the other ones because there's a lot more going on, but if you're in a pinch and you don't have any costume plan, this is pretty simple to put together. And again, if you want to, go ahead, just accessorize your look, put on like a black shirt, put on some headbands, and yeah, so I call this Spiders Attack My Face costume, but I hope everyone has a wonderful Halloween and you get a lot of candy and you just have a lot of fun with your family and friends.